Hello, this is Bima. So thank you again for coming back to my channel, and today I want to share to you about my work related to portrait photo shoot. So about 4 years ago I flew to Jakarta, Indonesia, and then I got a 4th-generation portrait photo shoot in a lovely house of my previous client. And what I'm gonna show you today is like a daughter and dad portrait who's sitting down on the sofa. So my client's name today is Budi and her daughter's Sophia. So I just make a simple pose this afternoon by let them sit on the sofa while Budi hugged her daughter so tight. Then I asked him to give a little bit smile on the face. So and when he closed his eyes, and then I will shoot him really fast because his daughter is sleeping this afternoon. So if you see my previous post-production action from my previous videos, here I'm still using the selection to adjust some part of my photos in really details. So I will focusing on the face, on the skin, and then on a little bit on the clothes and jeans. And then if you selecting the part in a Photoshop, I highly suggest you to do to consider about feather selection, so it will be make our action smoother. And just try to type some numbers like 100 or 120, 150. It will be so smooth for Photoshop action. Make sure you also consider about the filter, like a sharpen filter, where you can get your photos better, like what I did today. And then just get some little bit action for the background, because this color is a white wall, so I want to make sure there is no scratch, there is no noise on it. So I will put some Gaussian blur filter for the background. So if you see here in detail, they will be smooth, they will be really clean for the wall, and that's what I'm going to do in this Photoshop action. So you see here I still using the level, the saturation, the color contrast, and especially for the smart sharpen filters. That's really nice filter that you can consider while working in a Photoshop. And today I'm working with a Photoshop CC. In case you have earliest or latest Photoshop, that doesn't matter at all, because working in Photoshop generally will be the same. So it just like practice every single day, and then you can open your previous photo and try to learn the Photoshop day by day, and then you will be expert than before. Alright, this almost finished, so I just make sure everything is perfect due to Budi's face, daughter's, the Sophia, and some part like shirt and then trousers. And then one of the important thing is the face, so I will make the face really sharp than before, because sometimes maybe it's my mistake due to photo shoot, so I will do some little bit miss focus or something. Then this almost done, so I'm just saving it into my desktop, and then I will show you the comparison, like a before and after. And just wait for a couple minutes, and then I will show the final result. Alright, here we go. I already put the before and after photos in my desktop, and then I will make it larger so you can see the comparison, like between and after, before and after, to make photos like regular photos into black and white photos like this. So see you in the next video. See you.